If you're sexually active, we've put together a checklist for you of things to consider in the hours, days, and weeks following sexual intercourse to help you reduce your risk of STIs and pregnancy. In the minutes and hours following sex, there are a few things that we recommend. The first, if you have female anatomy, is peeing. This can help flush out any of the bacteria that may have gotten up into the bladder and help reduce your risk of a urinary tract infection. You should also, if you used a condom, check the condom for any holes or tears. Another thing to consider after sex is your emotions. Make sure that this was a healthy interaction for you. And if you have any concerns about sexual assault or trauma, seek help. One thing to not do after sex if you have female anatomy is to douche. Even though many people think this reduces the risk of pregnancy by flushing out sperm, it's actually not very effective at preventing pregnancy and can mess up the good bacteria in your vagina. There are two main things to consider in the days following sex. The first is if this was unprotected sex or if an accident happened, consider emergency contraception. The morning after pill needs to be taken within 72 hours of unprotected sex to be most effective. Another thing to consider is if there need to be adjustments for next time, whether that's getting on birth control, stocking up on condoms, or investing in lube to make the experience a little bit more pleasurable. While these things might be on your mind much sooner after having sex, checking for STIs and pregnancy are actually things that you do in the weeks following sex. In fact, it's recommended that you not get checked for STIs until at least 2 weeks after sexual intercourse. Similarly, pregnancy should really only be checked about 3 weeks after sex or after a missed period. That'll do it for the checklist of things to do after sex. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more about your body or sexual health, you can subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.